everyone, welcome to my presentation. My name is Yasinta Azhara. I'm from Management Class 24A, NPM 244111099. And today I am going to talk about law and business law. I hope this video provides you with a clear understanding of the subject. Let's get started. Introduction. Law is one of the most essential systems in human civilization. It guides human behavior, maintains order, and ensures justice within society. Every nation establishes its own legal system to regulate the relationship between individuals, organizations, and the government. Without law, society will face chaos, injustice, and uncertainty. Business law, as a specific branch of law, plays a significant role in regulating business activities and ensuring that transactions are conducted fairly and ethically. In today's presentation, we will learn about the basic concept of law, its function, types, and the importance of business law in the modern economy. Understanding law and business law helps you become responsible citizens and future business professionals who respect rules and ethics in all aspects of our activities. Definition of law. Law can be defined as a set of rules created and enforced by the state to control behavior within society. These rules are made through legislation and interpreted by courts. The main purpose of law is to establish justice, protect individual rights, and maintain social stability. Law acts as a guideline for what is right or wrong, what is allowed or forbidden. In addition, law provides a clear standard of conduct for individuals and organizations. When people obey the law, they help create harmony and peace in society. On the other hand, breaking the law can lead to punishment and damage public trust. Therefore, law serves not only as a system of rules but also as a moral foundation for a civilized society. The importance of law in society. Law is important because it ensures equality, justice, and order. It helps settle disputes peacefully without violence. Through the legal system, people can protect their property, seek justice, and demand accountability from others. Law also plays a role in limiting the power of the government so that no one is above the law. This concept is known as the rule of law. A society that follows the rule of law is generally stable and prosperous. In contrast, a society that ignores the law tends to experience corruption, violence, and instability. Therefore, understanding and respecting the law is essential for every citizen, including those involved in business activities. Types of law. Generally, law can be divided into two main categories: public law and private law. Public law governs the relationship between individuals and the government, including constitutional law, administrative law, and criminal law. Meanwhile, private law regulates relationships among individuals, organizations, or companies. It includes contract law, property law, family law, and business law. These two types of law work together to create balance within the legal system. Public law ensures that the government acts fairly towards its citizens, while private law ensures that individuals and business interact in a fair and lawful way. Understanding both helps you see how law operates in every aspect of life. Introduction to business law. Business law, also known as commercial law, refers to the body of legal rules that govern how business operate and interact. It covers areas such as contract, sales, employment, consumer protection, and company formation. Business law provides the legal framework that allows companies to function effectively and compete fairly. It protects not only business owners but also customers, employees, and society as a whole. Business law ensures that every transaction and decision made by companies follow ethical and legal principles. As business activities grow more complex in the modern world, understanding business law becomes essential for all entrepreneurs and managers. The role and function of business law. The main function of business law is to create order in business transactions. It ensures that every agreement made between parties is legally binding and enforceable. Business law also protects intellectual property such as trademarks, patents, and copyright, which are crucial in a competitive economy. Additionally, it regulates employment relationships, ensuring that workers are treated fairly and provided with safe working conditions. Business law also helps settle business disputes through mediation, arbitration, or court proceedings. By following business law, companies can build trust, avoid legal problems, and contribute to a stable economic environment. Source of business law and contract law. Business law is derived from several sources. The first is the Constitution, which forms the foundation for all legal systems. The second source is statutory law, which includes law passed by the national legislature. The third is case law, which comes from previous court decisions that set legal precedent. Finally, international law influences business through trade agreements and treaties between countries. These sources together shape the legal framework for business operation. Understanding these sources helps business owners and managers make informed decisions and avoid legal violations in their activities. Contracts are the heart of business law. A contract is a legally enforceable agreement between two or more parties that creates mutual obligation. For a contract to be valid, it must include several elements over accepting consideration and legal intent. If any party fails to perform their part of the agreement, it is considered a breach of contract, which can result in legal consequences. Contract law ensures that business deals are transparent, reliable, and fair. For instance, when a company sells product or service, both sides must follow the terms agreed upon. still helps build trust in business relationship. Employment law and intellectual property law. Employment law governs the relationship between employers and employees. It includes issues such as wages, working hours, workplace safety, and discrimination. The goal of employment law is to protect both sides. Employees have the right to fair treatment and a safe environment, while employers have the right to manage their business efficiently. Modern employment law also addresses issues like equal opportunity and gender equality. By following employment regulation, companies not only comply with the law but also promote fairness and harmony in the workplace. Intellectual property law protects creation of the mind, such as invention, logos, literary works, and artistic design. It allows creators and business to benefit from their ideas and innovation. There are three main types of intellectual property rights: copyright, patent, and trademark. Copyright protects original works of authorship, patent protect invention, and trademarks protect symbol or names used in business. This protection ensures creativity and technological advancement. Without intellectual property law, individuals and companies would have less motivation to innovate because their ideas could be easily copied by others. Consumer protection law and dispute resolution in business. Consumer protection law ensures that products and services offered in the market are safe and of good quality. It prevents business from misleading customers through false advertising or unfair practice. This law also gives consumers the right to complain or receive compensation when they are harmed by defective goods. Consumer protection strengthens trust between business and their customer, which is vital for a healthy economy. When consumers feel protected, they are more confident in participating in the market and confident in the market and support honest businesses. Disputes in business are inevitable, but law provides several peaceful methods to solve them. The most common methods include negotiation, mediation, arbitration, and litigation. Negotiation allows parties to reach a mutual agreement without external involvement. Mediation uses a neutral third party to help resolve issues. Arbitration involves an independent arbitration who makes a binding decision. Litigation is the process of resolving disputes through the court system. Each method has its advantage depending on the complexity of the case. Business law encourages companies to resolve conflict and efficiently to save time, money, and relationship. Conclusion. To conclude, law and business law are essential foundation for a just and organized society. Law provides order, protects rights, and maintains peace, while business law ensures that economic activities operate fairly and transparently. As future business professionals, we must understand the importance of following the law and practicing ethics in every business decision. By respecting legal principles, we can build trustworthy business that contributes to economic growth and society harmony. Thank you for watching and see you next time.